What's going on, miners? I'm Chump Change XD. Today's video, I want to talk about the Jasminer X4Q and its insane efficiency. Now, this is a unit that runs at 495 watts, fed with 240. It can also be fed with 120, mind you. It might be a little over 500 watts, but it pulls 1.2 gigahash on ETC. Now, that is the only downfall. It can only mine ETC. Now, that's where my pickle came in, because my situation, this is one of the only machines that I can run at a minimal loss compared to, say, all of my GPUs that run at much higher wattage. And with the price of crypto right now, it just doesn't make any sense to turn those machines on because I'd be paying so much in electricity. So that's when I came to thinking about, what do I do next? How do I acquire other bags versus just mining ETC, taking it, selling it, trading it, and acquiring the other crypto, adding all of that extra tax steps that I just don't want to have. So I went to unMineable.com to check it out to see if I could treat this unit as a GPU, and it worked. It didn't only work for the X4Q, it worked for the X4-1U, it worked for all my iPolos, and I do have an idea about doing some testing, and I'll tell you about it at the end of the video. But let's get into unMineable.com. I'll walk you guys through it real quick, and then I'll teach you guys how I did this in the dashboard for the X4Q, and then we'll talk about what I have cooking up in the works. All right, so here we are at unMineable.com. Now, I'm not going to completely walk through how to use this site. If you haven't seen my how to mine with any computer in under 5 minutes with unMineable, go check it out. I'll leave a link above. Right here, as you can see, we have Ergo, we have Bitcoin, we have Shiba, Dogecoin, and a numerous amount of coins all under it. Now, these are coins you typically can't mine with GPUs, but you can through unMineable, saving yourself all the extra tax steps of buying, trading, selling, all that stuff. The thing that really caught my eye with this, now that it works, was FLUX coming to this platform. They're going to be allowing you to mine ETC hash or whatever, things along those lines, to get paid out in FLUX. So once FLUX is on this site, I'm going to be super excited to actually be able to mine with the X4Q to FLUX and not have to worry about doing any of the swapping myself. The only downfall about that is you're not going to get the parallel assets as if you were mining FLUX directly, but with the X4Q and its insane efficiency, you don't have the option to directly mine FLUX. So you got to give somewhere, if that makes sense. But either way, right here, let's go to my Ergo earnings. Now, I have 14.5 Ergo that I've mined so far with this X4Q, and as you can see, my X4-1U. Now, it's super simple to set it up. As you can see, this is the ETC hash algorithm, and that's what I have to use. I can actually use it on my iPolos and all that stuff too, and I am doing that, but I'm mining Doge with the iPolos. We'll save that for another video. Over here, as you can see, this is my 4 hours uptime with the X4Q. I have had it running for days at a time, but I actually unplugged it this morning and replugged it in for this video. So as you can see, the average hash rate right now, 1163. It's usually right around 1200. So it's a little low right now, but nonetheless, it's still mining that much hash rate, which is nice. And it's going to Ergo. Now, let me show you how I'm setting up the miner. So literally all you have to do is set it up exactly like it has here. You have etchash.unmineable.com:3333. Then we have ERG : your wallet address dot whatever you want to name the rig, and then you can put a referral code at the end. As you see, this is my own referral code. If you guys would like to use that, I'll leave it down in the description below. If not, you can use your own referral code. I'm not entirely sure if you actually do get much earnings from your own, but nonetheless, it does work. So totally recommend you guys using your own, but if you want to use mine, feel free. Thank you so much in advance. Now, that was super simple. I was stunned that this actually worked. And again, it worked for the X4-1U as well. And that's up and mining with an average hash rate of 580 mega hashes. And this thing runs at like 250 watts, which is amazing. So what do you guys think overall? It's super simple to set it up, and I'm super shocked it worked. Again, for my situation with the high electric costs, this works phenomenal. Now, what I want to do with the two iPolos is put them head to head. I want to see mining at the pool, either two miners or Ethermine, whatever you guys think, just let me know in the comments below. And then taking the other iPolo and mining ETC to ETC directly at unMineable.com. And I want to see the yields. So I'll use two separate wallets and just kind of go head to head for like a week. Does that make sense? I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments below if that's a good idea. Now, if you guys can think of any other tests you want me to do with unMineable or regular pool mining on these units, please let me know also in the comments below. But if this helped you in any way, go down there, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And if you guys haven't seen this video right here, please go check it out, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace out.
The Meter Box is having a massive Black Friday sale starting Monday, November 21st and running all week through Friday, November 25th until 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Limited quantities are available at this price point, so head on over and grab yours today.